For our newscast, I hear that our Allie Kramer was right behind this semi that overturned. She's okay.
Yes.
But this is going to be a big deal for quite some time.
A big deal, and it is a semi-accident, which we know that cleanup process is always a little bit lengthy, but this is a live picture of what's going on. We do have a big rig that is tossed over there on its side. We know that the driver is now out of that big rig. He was trapped for a moment, and it looks like traffic is starting to squeeze by there off onto the shoulder, but all of the actual lanes there on Fort Washington Way, this is Fort Washington Way westbound or I-71 southbound, all of the actual lanes of traffic are shut down, but it does look like police are now letting cars kind of squeeze on by off onto that shoulder. So a little bit of progress there, but still try to avoid that if you can. I know for a brief moment we did have traffic being diverted onto 471, so that 471 ramp before the Lytle Tunnel in general. So maybe you can just get off there, get off at Reading Road if you just want to avoid this altogether this morning. So we're going to keep a close eye on this situation this morning, keep you updated, let you know when we do see major progress there. But my guess is that whenever they have a tow truck and they want to pull that semi out, they're going to re-shut down even that shoulder there, Jen. So we'll keep an eye on it.